Hello my lovelies, welcome to our Writer's Corner. In today's corner, we're actually going to do some crafting, and this crafting is going to help us with our writing. We're actually going to create a journal from a 19th century book that I found on Pinterest. To create this journal, we're actually going to need some paper, some cardboard, ruler, a pair of scissors, a pen or pencil, some ribbon, a paper cutter if you have one, as well as some form of a hole punch. So enough talking, let's get started. And there we have it, our final finished product. I have to say this was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, more so because I struggled with the hole punch and trying to insert the ribbon to make this like crisscross design, which was also suggested in the book. But I'm done, and I hope that you get to give this a try as well and make yourself your very own 19th century or Victorian journal. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.